Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to those who are viewing for the first time. Today I'm going to be using the earthquake tiller. My husband is actually going to be using it, and I'm going to be trying it for the first time to see if I can, which I think I will. The garden that we're going to be tilling is the one that I had used last year as my potato mulch garden, which I can provide a link in the description. I didn't want to till it, but one, I wanted to make a video of using the tiller, so we figured we may as well go ahead and use this space. And also, I really would like to start using that area, and the ground was still kind of hard underneath, so we did till it, but we're not going to till it anymore. We're only going to be mulching it from here on out. It's been tilled, and now it will just forever be a mulch garden. So we're going to plant a pear tree and put some raspberries around it after we get tilling it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you like the video. So this is the earthquake tiller that we're going to be using today. I have not used it before, but I've seen my husband use it in our other garden, so I figure I'd like to give it a shot today and see what it's like. must ask, how do you like it?
I love it.
You love it. That's good. I'm glad I was able to use it too. Like, not as well as you, but I could still use it. I could still handle it. If I had to work at this for a little bit, I definitely could make my own garden. I like it. I like it a lot. That looks good.
So the type of pear we planted today was this.
All right, so I still need a bit more mulch, but there's the finished result. The apple tree, sorry, I keep saying apple tree, the pear tree, the raspberries, and at least this pear tree actually has pears on it. The other pear trees didn't have pears on them, not yet. So I'm excited that this one has pears. Honestly, isn't it beautiful? There's just something about fruit plants. There's just something about plants. Now here's waiting a few more years till it's really, really, really big. And the kids can climb it. And I can climb it. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful. Now I'm going to enjoy staring at my beautiful new pear tree for a little while. Okay, this has been just a couple days later. And that one little puny one, the big leaves died off, but it's gonna make it.